Not yet.
Aww.
Can you say hi first?
Hi, first.
Welcome to our channel.
Yeah.
Today we will be baking peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. So peanut butter cookies with chocolate. We're gonna go through all the ingredients as we mix them up. So first things first, we have to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so while that's heating, so we'll start with one half cup butter softened. Okay, do that. 3/4 cup white sugar. Yeah, that one. 3/4 cup brown sugar. Yeah. 2 teaspoons vanilla. Good job. Do the eggs. 2 eggs. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Now we have to add our 1 1/4 cup peanut butter. Look at that. Okay, so take our little mixer here. Just like that. Now we move on to our dry ingredients. So can you put it in there? 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Can you? Oh, sorry. Okay, so Achi, got my. Give that a mix, not with your hand. Do that a little bit. Miles ate all my chippets. Okay, that's good. 1 cup chocolate chips. Give that a mix. Okay, that's good. Can you dump it in here, Miles? Sorry. You dump it all in there. Now we combine the two together. All of it. All of it. There's more. Yeah, good job. Whoa, dusty. Sorry. You okay, Mom?
Dusty.
Smell it. Smells good, right? You like it?
Yeah.
It smells so good. If you like peanut butter, Dad.
No.
You don't like peanut butter? Let's clean up a second. And this too. Now we take our baking trays. Here we have 4. Yeah, do the ice cream scoop. So Miles is using the ice cream scoop.
With it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna try. With it?
Put about 9 in each tray. Okay, next tray. Okay, yeah, keep going, Ma. Okay.
Right here.
Yeah. That's fine.
There's a Lego there.
Yeah. Can't put the Lego in there. Good job. Is it yummy? There's raw eggs in here. Wow, look at that.
Don't like it.
Don't like it? You wanna try that one too? Okay, go in the next tray. Go in this one. Don't eat that whole thing. No, no. Oh man. Okay, that's too much sugar for you. We're almost done. You like peanut butter now? You like it? Okay, so the oven just went on. It's ready.
And I want to eat in the soup.
These are Miles's, and
Mommy's.
so we have 3 trays so far. So we're gonna put that in the oven now because it's ready. Right? One here and one here. So we're gonna let it bake for 10 to 12 minutes. So we'll set the timer here. Kitchen timer. Start with 10 minutes. And start. Okay, so we'll check in 10 minutes. It's time to check the cookies. So sometimes what I do is I switch the two together. And you have to turn it maybe a little bit.
Mommy, no, not chippies. Not chippies.
A few more minutes.
No, not chippies.
So it's time to check again. Oh, yep. This is done here. I like them to have a little bit of brown on the edges. So this one's good. This one's good too. Now we'll put the last tray in. Just like that. Here we are. So we'll let them cool a little bit for a few minutes, and then we're going to lift it up with the spatula. Take a flat spatula like this and just lift it up. Doesn't even really stick. So here's the back, the cookie. So that's it. It's super easy. So I'm still waiting for the other tray here. Maybe I should try some. Hey Mas, you want to try it? Now we're getting the last batch here. Watch out, Miles. So it looks like that.
Okay.
And that's it. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Let's see. This one looks good.
Mommy.
I had 2 already. So all our cookies are colder now. We can put them in a container with the lid, right? here is our cookies. Okay? Can you say thank you for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.